Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, we are doing November 2024 Bargain Bead Box unboxing. Alright, here we go. This is Boughs and Berries. So instead of Boughs and Hollies, it's Boughs and Berries. Okay, number one, we have a moss agate, a 30mm moss agate donut pendant, and its retail value is $4.99. Now, I was watching the owner of the company, and she said that these come in varied colors because it's natural stone. And it could have been all green, more of a whitish green, kind of like the combination. And apparently mine's all green, which that's fine. So there's the moss agate. Make sure I've got it up here where you can see it. All right. Number two. It is also moss agate, and it's 8mm round beads, and it retails for $6.99. Now you can see a little bit more of the variation in this. You see some of them is like that really dark green. Some of them are a lighter green. Some of them are kind of like spotty looking and almost, well, it's not quite opaque, but it's not quite, see, there's another one. I don't know if you can see that. If they'll, well, I'll let you see that or not. But anyway, you can tell there's variation in that, and they're really pretty. So that's number two. Number three is 6mm tree agate matte round beads. So it's a little different than the moss agate. That's really pretty. And that definitely has variation. That's almost a brown look. And you've got some white, and you've got green, different color green. So there's variation in that too. That's really pretty. Number four is a 28 by 18 moss agate kite pendant, retail value at $3.99. Did I say the retail on that? Tree agate was $5.99. There's the kite pendant. That is, ooh, that's pretty. Okay, number five is 6mm green tiger eye. These are dyed and heat treated. Round beads, 7 inches string, and it retails at $6.99. So these are tiger eye. They are dyed and heat treated. Okay. Number six, we have a 4mm round beads. They are we have 4mm red jasper faceted round beads, 7.5-inch string, and they retails at $6.99. It's almost a burnt orange, kind of a reddish orange. Then number 7, we have 10mm moonstone glass beads. They are frosted, and it's 7 inches. Retail value is $4.99. And I love moonstone. Look how pretty that is. I love moonstone. I hope you can see how iridescent looking that is. All right, number 8 is 5 by 8 millimeter crystal faceted barrel beads, frosted mint green with an AB finish. It's 11-inch string and it retails at $7.99. Then number 9 is 4.5 by 5.5 millimeter crystal faceted triangle beads in light vitriol. Oh, I love vitriol. 10-inch string and it retails at $4.99. Ooh, look at how pretty these are. Ugh. My mercy. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. I love vitriol. I like these triangle beads. And I don't know, it was probably about 3 months back. Maybe a little bit further than that. I can't remember if it was spring or early summer we had triangle. I think they might have been yellow. And I liked them then. But that is that vitriol finish. And oh my gosh. I love it. Love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, here we go. Woo. Now, number 10, we have a 4 by 3 millimeter crystal faceted rondelles in crystal AB finish. It is a 16-inch string and it retails at $3.99. Those are pretty too. Those are so dainty and delicate. Well, I don't know if they're delicate, but they are dainty. They look delicate. I love them. They're so cute. Number 11, 6 millimeter matte glass round beads in holly berry, 14-inch string, and it retails at $2.99. Look at that. They do look like the little berries, like the little holly berries. Number 12, it's 6-piece, 10 millimeter rhinestone round beads in garnet red, and they retail at $2.99. Ooh, those are pretty. You see that shine? Run out of room. Number 13, it's 2-piece, 10 millimeter lamp work glass round beads in evergreen, retail at $2.99. Number 14, it's a 34 by 21 millimeter stainless steel evergreen pendant, retail $5.99. I guess it goes that way. Okay. Number 15, 22 millimeter stainless steel wreath focal link, retail at $3.99. That's really pretty. Oops. Number 16, we have a 24 by 10 millimeter stainless steel pine tree oval pendant, retails at $2.99. And if I can get my hands to work, you can see the tree right there. You can see it's a little pine tree. Number 17, we have 10 pieces of 14 by 12 millimeter holly leaf charms. They retail at $1.99. See a little holly leaf? It's got, where am I at? Yeah, little holly leaf with little holly berries in there. Number 18 is 4 pieces of a 38 by 17 millimeter mistletoe branch links, and they retail at $2.99. All right. Number 19 is 3 sets of 17 by 15 millimeter wreath toggle clasp. They retail at $1.99. And it's very reminiscent of your holly leaf rounds. Okay. Uh-oh. Where'd that go? Next, number 20 is 1 meter of 3.5 by 2.5 millimeter stainless steel knurled oval chain. I'm assuming that's the way that's pronounced. It's got like then number 21 is a 4 by 3 millimeter corrugated round spacer beads, 10 grams at $2.99. They retail at $2.99. Oops. I think I dropped one somewhere. I'll find it. Then the last, we have, this is number 22, we have 20 pieces of 7 by 5 millimeter mini cone bead caps. They retail at $2.99. So it's your little bead cap, but it's in the cone shape. That would go with one of those. Okay, so that is it. There it is. Let me get this where you can actually see it. And this one. Okay, so this is it, which is a lot, for the November 2024 Bargain Bead Box. The retail value is $97.78, so this is almost $100 retail value. The cost is $22.98, I think, a month, and that is free shipping. I think that is, the taxes are included in that. So you pay almost $23 a month for something like this, and this retailed at almost $100. Bargain Bead Box is a wonderful company. Also, if you become a member of them, and they have a sister store that's Bead Box Bargain, and you can go in there and, like, if you run out of some of these, or even really just anything, because that store has a lot of stuff. And then they also come out after everybody has gotten their kit. Then they'll go back in and try to do like a matching kit, and you can get that for a decent price. But anyway, they have, with their sister store, you can get, they will give you a code. I'm trying to cover it up to be fair to them, but they will give you a code, and it's 30% off of that sister store. Anything you buy off of them is the whole month long, and you can use it more than once. So say you go in, today and order some stuff, you can put in that code and get 30% off, and say 2-3 weeks that I'm like, oh, I like that too, and want to buy that, I can go in and still with that code and get 30% off. So I think that is wonderful, because most places are like a one-time only thing. So anyway, I encourage you, if you like what you see, I encourage you to go visit their site and become a member, because you will not be disappointed. And if you go in there and type in, I don't know if it's APIE. No, I don't know what in the world I'm thinking. It's not AP, it's April 2. April 2. Or MCCL for my Crazy Creative Life 2. But if you go in there and punch in that code, then you will get $2 off of your very first order. And if neither of those codes work, please let me know, and then I will contact the company. But I mean, you can't beat that. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this November 2024 Bargain Bead Box. I apologize that I did not get to do October's. I still have it, but of course I have it down. I do have a uh, ruptured disc, and so as of right now, we're not doing surgery. He's hoping that maybe I'll somewhat heal from it, but it's not been fun at all. So that's why I've kind of been out. So anyway, I wanted to go ahead and get this done and hopefully come back with something made with this, and also the October. I won't do the unboxing because I'm sure you've done seen everybody else do their unboxing, but I do want to try to come back in with that October set and make something. So anyway, I'll shut up gabbing now, and I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. I did forget to come back in here and give you a little bit closer look. Hello, Sparkle. All right, bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.